Hello everyone, as I mentioned before, I am a UPK teacher and my name is Felicita Santiago. My project will be curriculum, content, and technology. I'm going to focus on teaching UPK on coding. Coding games with play while children learn how to code. Objective, explain what code is and what a computer program does to encourage children teamwork and problem solving. To encourage children teamwork, lesson book by Josh Funk, How to Code a Sandcastle. The children will see how Pierre directs the robot to build a perfect sandcastle. Response to literacy, to ask the children the following questions while reading: how to code a sandcastle? What big problems did Piro want to solve? What does a code mean? What small problems does Piro solve? To encourage children by asking if they would like to create code to make a robot. Demonstrate to children how to navigate through the tutorial. What else we have here? Standards framework for children. Explore, discover, and navigate. Develop through experience and reflections by problem solvers through cycles of design, implementations, and reflections. Build a sandcastle. I would invite children to create their own sandcastle using the sand table and encourage children to decorate their castle. Art project, to extend the coding concepts into an art project. We'll set up a wide range of art materials in a variety of colors, and children can create. Using code to get through the math. That's another project we're gonna do. Practice coding concepts while moving. The gross motor, using different color of chalk in a large square shape, things like that. And now, the key curriculum area I will address during this lesson: understanding operation of technology system. Uses input and output devices to successfully operate technology systems. Begins using appropriate vocabulary when describing the nature and operation of technology systems. Gives examples of how technology systems are used: internet, cameras, cell phones. Uses the knowledge of technology to increase learning. Uses computer to write, draw, and explore concepts. Learns basic skills by using age-appropriate computer programs. Uses technology tools independently, media, games, and digital cameras. And I'm also going to incorporate the book with the lesson plan, How to Code a Sandcastle. It's a very attractive and interesting book for kids to learn what coding is. It's colorful, it's children attractive, and the project should be fun. I also have a video that I'm going to incorporate with my final project. Thank you for watching all. Have a good day.